guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Brie, and today, or shall I say tonight, I'm going to be filming how I do my nails at home, but it's going to be very aesthetically pleasing. Cue the music. So we're going to have a nice relaxing night. I'm in my pajamas, just showered, no makeup, hair crazy and natural. Like, it's just one of those nights. It's a pamper myself a little bit kind of night. So without further ado, let's get into me doing my nails at home. Okay, so I just have this laptop desk and I just placed all the products that I'll be using on it. So here are the tips I'll be using. Here are the polishes, maybe with that one. The glue, nail file, gems, little tweezer thing to help with the gems. And then I just store everything in these two little baskets here. And yeah. Okay guys, now that I have all of my products that I'm going to be using laid out, the first step that I do is take a nail file and just give myself more of a rough base to work with. And I've seen other YouTubers do this as well, but I'm not just hopping on the bandwagon to hop on the bandwagon. I'm doing this step first because this is actually what I see the nail ladies and men do. So if they do it, the professionals, I'm sure it's right. Okay, so next I just grabbed my tips, and these I got from Amazon. They came with all of these sizes ranging from 0 to 9, I believe. I think 9 is the highest size, and they have different styles on Amazon. You don't have to just get this style, but this is the style in ballerina, like a shorter ballerina. I'll have it linked in the description below. Yeah, I just grabbed them. I already know my numbers, so I just take them and measure them out. But if you didn't, the key to this is you want to make sure that it's fully covering either side of your nail. Like, just look at the size, don't just look at the bottom and see that the rounded part where your cuticle is matches. You want to make sure that each side is being covered as well, because this is a coffin ballerina shaped nail. And then once you get your size, I just put down double. And then I always just start with my thumb and work my way around. And I'll do one hand and then the other hand. So when I apply the glue, I apply a generous amount of glue because I learned from the first time I did my nails that you have to, if not your nails will pop off. And the glue I'm using is just this brand by Amazon. Again, all of these products I have linked below, unless I can't find them on Amazon. Like the nail polishes, I didn't get them from Amazon, I got them from Ulta, but everything else I got from Amazon. And then you just hold down for 3 to 5 seconds and you got your first nail. Okay, so once I glued all my nails on, at the very top, there's like a rigid edge. So I'm just gonna file it away. Okay, so that's the only shaping that I do to my nails. So I saw this really cute picture, so I think I want to do that, but I'm just scared because I don't want them to look really bad and then I waste it, and this video is just completely botched. But also, hold on. But I also have this holographic color that I think I'm going to use just on top. So let's just go with it. I'm going to first start out by painting my nails clear, and that's it. So now that that's done, I'm going to take this shade. It's called Unicorn, and I believe the brand is Pacifica. I don't know if I'm saying that correctly, but I'll have it linked down below. I'm just taking that shade, it's kind of like a cool holographic color, and painting that on my nails now, and I'm just doing 2 coats of that, so it gives it like not just a plain clear look, it'll give it like a cool holographic clear look. You'll see. Okay guys, so while I let that second coat dry, gems. Okay, so the gems I ordered from Amazon, they came with 4 packs. This is why I don't do anything until my nails are done drying, because I just messed them up. Okay, let's try that again. So, I'm not going to touch these, but the gems that I bought from Amazon, they came with 4 different packs. 2 have colorful gems in it. 1 is strictly like a silver crystal-y gem, and then the other one is gold. I believe I'm going to just use these, so like the plain crystal ones, but I do really like the colorful ones. I just wish they came with smaller gem sizes instead of like these big circles that I have. So in the plain crystal pack, I think I'm going to take the size 3 or 4. Also, the packs of gems came with these little tweezer things that help out greatly, so. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna take size 4, and I just put the glue on the actual pack. Honestly, I'm gonna put it on a different pack and put it on the upside down part so that I don't accidentally glue the lid shut, because it's hard enough to get open already, so. But now I'm gonna move you guys back onto the other angle while I apply all these gems, and yeah, this is the best part, so. You guys don't want to see me, you want to see the gems in my nails. So of course my phone stopped filming, so it didn't get me putting on the gems on my very first finger, but that's okay, because I do the same technique for literally all my fingers, and you guys will see me do majority of it now. Okay, so to place the gems, I just dumped out a few of them onto that little desk that you see sitting there, because it'll just be easier to pick them up. So I'll pick them up one by one with those tweezers that this package came with, dip it into the glue, and then place it anywhere on my nail, wherever I just feel like it'll look the best. That's where I put it. And I just keep repeating the step over and over until I'm satisfied with the way the nails look. And I do this for all of my fingers and both hands. So once I finish placing the gems on both hands, I'm just going to go over with that clear nail polish, and it's not really a clear nail polish, it's actually a top coat, like a gel top coat. You don't need the UV light or anything like that, it's just like a gel nail polish top coat. And this is just going to help make my nails last a bit longer and the gems stay on a bit longer. I'm not gonna lie, the gems don't stay on for a very long time. The glue does wear off easily when it comes to the gems and the glue. I'm gonna try to find another glue that doesn't make that happen and make the gems fall off. But for now, like, they do last for at least a week. But yeah, I'm just gonna apply this top coat and let it dry. Oh my god, guys, I don't know why I picked the most detailed, like as you can be, design to film. I thought at first it'd be like, I'm just literally randomly placing gems on everywhere, but no. This took so long. It's almost 12 a.m. when I started this. It was 9 something. Like what? But I do really enjoy how they came out. I'll give you guys a little close up. So those are them. My back is on fire, but I hope you guys enjoyed this little... Actually, I really hope you guys enjoyed this not so little video, because it wound up taking way longer than I expected. And you have no idea how hard it was to film, because I film on my phone for now until I like save up and get a nice camera. But filming on my phone for 2 different angles, do you know how many times I had to get up, go over there, grab a phone, come over here, put the new tripod over here, film on my lap, and then put my head around? It was a lot. But patience is key. The tortoise wins the race. Nothing in life comes easy, and that's all I can think of right now. And yeah, I did enjoy filming this, kind of. But the most important part is I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. If you did, as always, give it a big thumbs up. If not, just subscribe. Anyways, I am going to head to bed now because it's way past my bedtime. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.